you guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple and easy keto egg breakfast meal prep that you make once a week and then you can eat twice a day. Now you can add any kind of meat you want. I choose pepperoni because it's already in my fridge, but you can add bacon, you can add ham, you can add turkey, you can add chicken, whatever fat meat preference you would like to add, you can. So half of my egg mixture, I'm going to use slices of ham as my base, and the other half I'm going to use with my keto biscuits. In another video I have coming up, I'm going to show you detail how to make keto biscuits, and oh my god, you guys, it is so good. So here is my keto biscuit, y'all. And I'm basically breaking a keto biscuit apart and I'm just basically pressing it down to the bottom of the pan. So when I put in my mixture, the egg mixture could just soak it all up and still give it this nice coating muffin base. how the egg breakfast cup look with the ham on the side. back looks so good. And this is how it look with the biscuit. But as you can see, you can't see the keto biscuit anywhere, of course, because the egg sucked it inside. But I'm pretty sure when you take that bite, yes. So that's how it look after you take a nice bite of it. I'm eating the ham one. Oh my god, you guys, this is so delicious. Just see the insides. And it was really easy to make. It was probably in the oven for like 15, less than 20 minutes. Quick prep. This is a really good keto prep. So if you haven't tried this, trust me, you will love this. Give you all your fats. This is a really good keto breakfast, you guys. Early in the morning, if you don't really eat, or if you come home and you don't feel like cooking anything, making some eggs, because you know you're on keto for beginners, you're making eggs like every day. So this is a good prep. So this is, I'm the only person who eats keto in the house, so this is basically gonna last me at least a week, because I might eat 2 a day, and that will give me my good amount of fats. And yeah, bon appetit.